friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I mean Magical Math. My name is Trish Takeshi. I am 10 years old. This video is part 6. In my previous magical video, you have learned multiplication of 9 series number with any equal of digits using magic parts. However, today we will be discussing multiplication of 9 series number where multiplicand is having more numbers of digits than multiplier. For example, this or this or this and this. And as usual, we are going to solve it one line and in seconds using Vedic Maths. In today's Jadoo, as told just now, we will see how to do multiplication in easy way with 9 series number, where number of digits of multiplicand is more than number of digits of multiplier. For example, this multiplier has 2 digits while multiplicand has 4 digits. Same here, multiplier has 5 digits while multiplicand has 6 digits. I've taken this example. As always, before going to actual magic, I want to share today's Jadoo secret. And the secret is just prefix number of 0 to multiplier like this. Now, multiplier has 4 digits, multiplicand has also 4 digits. As you already know, adding 0 before a number doesn't harm it. And then apply magic part. As we discussed in last video, hope you friends remember magic part. Just to revise, combine left and right part value, where left part means multiplier minus 1, right part means multiplicand minus left part result. Let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this question. As per today's secret, I first prefixed with 2 zeros multiplier like this. To make it equal to number of digits of multiplicand and next written in form of magic parts like this. Now let's find out left part and right part. Left part means multiplier minus 1, that is this. Right part means multiplicand minus left part result like this, that is this. Now when I'm going to write the answer, I will drop the 2 zeros and then just combine, so like this. As said, done in one line. Here I mentioned steps that we followed today. Please go through it. For better understanding, I have shown some more examples here, where left part and right parts of the question 1 are calculated here. Same as for question 2 and question 3. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. I would like to request if you please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and like my video and share my video. If you have any doubts or question or tips for me, please add in comments. Please solve below question using today's Jadoo. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video, and please keep in mind my video comes on every Sunday. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.